Okay, today we're going to learn what there is in a people house. This is a Theo Lesage book. In a people house. Come inside, Mr. Bird, and the mouse said the mouse. I'll show you what there is in a people house. The people house has things like chairs, like roller skates and stairs. So chairs, roller skates, and stairs. Bananas, bathtub, bottles, and brooms. That's what you find in people's rooms. So a banana, what did I say? A banana, a bathtub, bottles, and a broom. That's what you find in people's rooms. Scissors, needle, button, thread. So, scissors, needle, button, threads, cup and saucer, pillow and a bed. Cup and saucer, pillow and a bed. There are donuts. Here's a door. Come along, I'll show you more. So, there's donuts and a door. And here's a ceiling and here's a floor. Here's a ceiling and here's a floor. A piano, peanuts, popcorn, pail, pencil, paper, hammer, nails. So, what did I say? Piano, peanuts, popcorn, pails, pencil, paper, hammer, nails. Salt and pepper, goldfish, key, table, phone, TV. Come on, there's more to see. So we got a salt and pepper shaker, we got a goldfish, we got a key, table, telephone, TV. Come on, there's more to see. You'll see a kitchen sink in a people house. See the kitchen sink? Okay. You'll see a shoe, a sock, and a clock, said the mouse. A shoe, a sock, and a clock, said the mouse. Bread and butter, window, wall, toothbrush, hairbrush, big blue ball. So, we've got bread and butter, window, and a wall on this side. And on this side, we have toothbrush, hairbrush, big blue ball. Baked beans, bureau drawers, and books, lights and lamps, and hats and hooks. So, baked beans, bureau drawers, and books. And then lights and lamps and hats and hooks. Lights and lamps and hats and hooks. Mirror, marbles, shirt, and string. So we got a mirror, marbles, shirt, and string. Knife, fork, spoon, and bells to ring. So knife, fork, spoon, and bells to ring. Dolls and dishes, teapot and trash. Dolls and dishes, teapot, and trash. Look out below, I'm going to crash. Look at all the plates and everything going everywhere. Going to crash. And another thing this time you knew, a people house has people too. And now, Mr. Bird, you know, said the mouse, you know what there is in a people house. And that's it for today.